Hello guys, welcome back. This is KH for After Effects tutorial channel. Today I have a visual effects tutorial for you. Special VFX. Let's start. First, open your footage. Here is the street footage. So, there I have package of the portal. Drop here and drop here. Play, press S, scale down. Don't forget, this package belong to Superheroes pack. So when you play, here is the portal. Create new solid and right here 3D jet. Enter and then turn off this one. Double click, open free sky like this and press S for scale down the size and move it behind of the portal. And don't forget, create ellipse, mask the sky portal like this. Select control the all handles point here. Press M for the mask feather like this. And don't forget, when the portal is opening, select the sky and move the anchor point to center point of the portal and expansion the sky like this. Expansion here is. Select the mask, press V, stopwatch all of these options and press page down on keyboard for a step-by-step moving like this and scale up. Play. Don't forget, zoom in and here is the portal. Press Ctrl slowly bigger. Okay, let's test. Play, Here is the car gone, and here is the portal created. And you can animate the opacity too. Turn off. And now time to create the 3D jet. You must have Element 3D package. Go to Effects, Video Copilot, Element 3D, and then go to Effect Control. Before going to Effect Control, importing the jet, you must save your project. Portal. Save. And select the jet and go to Scene Setup. So after this, here is the jet strike. Here is a lot of jet sample. Close this one. What about this? Looking good. Professional jet. Let's change the environment like the street. If you want to make a realistic environment, you must select like a street. Here is, and press OK. So there is the jet. Close, turn on, and go to render setting, lighting, 360, and create a camera. 24. Here is the camera, and let's animate the jet. Open, rotation, move forward and to right, side, here. So there is the portal. Stopwatch these two position option and these three rotation, and come to here, press shift, press control, and move again to right side here. So there is the jet coming, and move forward, and go faster. So select the image of a sky and stopwatch the opacity, and here is the sky, and the portal is finished. And now time to masking the jet strike. But how? Select the jet solid and the camera and pre-compose right here, jet. So let's masking the jet from here and here. Like this, and press M, make invert, and press M, little feather. Here the jet is coming from the sky, I'm coming out of portal and select the sky image. So double click, select the jet and go to additional lighting, rotation, here is, and don't forget turn on the motion blur for the jet, turn on to looking more realistic. So close all of these and create a new adjustment layer, and let's add some effects like a heat wave. Select the adjustment layer, go to effects and go to distort heat wave, turn off. Here is the heat wave. So below it, intensity, and create some mask. Here is the jet is gone. Press page down, page down, page down, like this. Okay, now press P for mask path, move here. So there is the jet coming. Stopwatch. Here is the jet is coming out of the portal. Press page down, more and more. So here's, press MM, make little bit feather, and press Alt, break, start from second 10, and let's render the result. Let's add some more effects like portal shades, lighting, create new solid. Before creating new solid, Ctrl Y, select the solid color like this one. and right here shade and press OK. Move the shade top of the footage and change the mode color dodge, and now turn off the shade, create ellipse at this place. So select the mask points, drop here and turn on. So now here it is. Let's animate the shades. Change to 0, stopwatch, make a high shades, then lock the keys and 0. So let's make action for the jet. Select the jet and go to Element 3D, come back, here it is. So now select all, close, turn on the motion blur effect, and let's add some jet sound effects. Go to project and double click, download video jet sound effect, drop here and turn off the video. So the jet is sound effect is starting from here, and like this, gone. Let's open audio waveform, mute the sound, stopwatch, high level, and gone. Here, close, and let's see the final result. Don't forget, save your project. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Here is the VFX project. Hope you like the tutorial. Don't forget, like and subscribe the channel. See you next time.